In today's video, I'll teach you how to put decorative border frame on MS Word. So first of all, open the Microsoft Word. You can see over here I've already opened it. So if you would like to put the decorative page border, what you have to do is click on this option, Design. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this section for page background. What you have to do is click on this option, Page Borders. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options related with page border over here. Simply select this option for box. Now once you do that, you can see over here the option for box will be selected. That means now you'll be able to put the frame. In order to make it decorative, what you have to do is simply click on this field of art. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. So simply click on the design that you like the best. Now click on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here the decorative frame has been added to your page border. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you put decorative border frame on MS Word. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.